Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue Lesson 9, Fractions. In this chapter, our topics are types of fractions and some examples. Let's start with types of fractions. There are 7 types of fractions. They are number 1, equivalent fractions, number 2, proper fractions, number 3, improper fractions, number 4, like fractions, number 5, unlike fractions, number 6, unit fractions, and number 7, mixed fractions. Let us study one by one. Let us study equivalent fractions. When we multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number other than 0 or 1, we get an equivalent fractions. For example, find the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3. To find the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3, we multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number other than 0 or 1. We get an equivalent fractions. If we take 4 as a common number and multiply by 2 upon 3, we get 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. 8 upon 12 and 8 upon 12 is an equivalent fractions of 2 upon 3. Let us solve one more example. Find the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. To find the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2, we multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number. If we take 5 as a common number and multiply by 1 upon 2, we get 1 5s are 5 and 2 5s are 10. 5 upon 10. So 5 upon 10 is an equivalent fractions of 1 upon 2. Let us study proper fractions. Fractions whose numerators are smaller than denominators are called proper fractions. That means the numerator is always less than the denominator. The examples of proper fractions are 5 upon 9, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 7 and 7 upon 11. See, in each case the numerator is smaller than denominators. Let us study improper fractions. Fractions whose numerators are greater than denominators are called improper fractions. That means the numerator is always greater than the denominator. Examples of improper fractions are 5 upon 3, 9 upon 5, 15 upon 2 and 12 upon 7. See, in each case the numerator is greater than the denominator. Let us study like fractions. Fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Examples of like fractions are 5 upon 9, 1 upon 9, 2 upon 9 and 7 upon 9. See, in each case the denominators are same. Let us study unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Examples of unlike fractions are 5 upon 3, 1 upon 6, 2 upon 7 and 7 upon 9. See, in these examples the denominators are different, so they all are the examples of unlike fractions. Let us study unit fractions. Fractions whose numerators are equal to 1 are called unit fractions. Examples of unit fractions are 1 upon 7, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. See, in each case the numerator is equal to 1. Let us study mixed fractions. Improper fraction written as a combination of a natural number and a proper fraction is called mixed number. For example, 2 3 upon 4. See, in this example 2 is a natural number and 3 upon 4 is a proper fraction, and 2 3 upon 4 is a combination of natural number and a proper fraction. The another example is 7 1 upon 9 and the next is 5 2 upon 3 and one more example is 1 1 upon 2. Let's practice. Encircle all the proper fractions. 4 upon 3, 7 upon 6, 7 upon 8, 10 upon 9, 9 upon 10, 25 upon 10, 12 upon 15, 6 upon 5 and 8 upon 11. Let's recall proper fractions. Fractions where numerators are smaller than denominators are called proper fractions. Is 4 upon 3 a proper fraction? No, so leave them. Is 7 upon 6 a proper fraction? No, so leave them. Is 7 upon 8 a proper fraction? Yes, so encircle 7 upon 8 because in this case numerator is smaller than denominator. Is 10 upon 9 a proper fraction? No, so leave them. Is 9 upon 10 a proper fraction? Yes, so encircle them. Is 25 upon 10 a proper fraction? No, so leave them. Is 12 upon 15 a proper fraction? Yes, so encircle them. Is 6 upon 5 a proper fraction? No, so leave them. Is 8 upon 11 a proper fraction? Yes, so encircle them. Let us solve one more question. Encircle all improper fractions. 11 upon 7, 20 upon 30, 35 upon 25, 15 upon 18, 81 upon 72, 93 upon 95, 15 upon 12, 49 upon 51 and 1 upon 11. Let's recall improper fractions. Fractions where numerators are greater than denominators are called improper fractions. Pause the video and write all improper fractions in your rough book and check. The improper fractions are 11 upon 7, 35 upon 25, 81 upon 72 and 15 upon 12 because in each case numerator is greater than denominator. Let us solve one more question. Encircle the unit fractions. 5 upon 7, 1 upon 8, 8 upon 13, 15 upon 7, 1 upon 11, 0 upon 1, 1 upon 36, 4 upon 5 and 1 upon 9. Let's recall unit fractions. Fractions having 1 in the numerator are called unit fractions. So pause the video and write the unit fractions in your rough book and check. The unit fractions are 1 upon 8, 1 upon 11, 1 upon 36 and 1 upon 9 because in each case numerator is equal to 1. Let us solve one more question. Encircle the mixed numbers. 1, 1 upon 7, 3 upon 8, 6, 1 upon 3, 15 upon 7, 3, 2 upon 7 and 7 upon 15. Let's recall mixed numbers. Improper fractions written as a combination of a natural number and a proper fraction is called mixed number. So pause the video and write all the mixed numbers in your rough book and check. The mixed numbers are 1, 1 upon 7, 6, 1 upon 3, 3, 2 upon 7. I hope you all understand types of fractions. So students, learn and write all the definition with examples once in Math CW. If you learn all the definitions, then you can easily identify the different types of fractions. So complete lesson 9, worksheet 5 once in Math CW. Thank you. Have a nice day.